Hi, 7th graders. We are starting chapter 7. We are going to do a couple lessons before we start using our textbook for chapter 7. So this concept that we're doing is not in your textbook, so you can just follow along with the video. So we're calling it lesson 7-0.1, and our learning target is finding the perimeter and area of parallelograms and triangles, which is probably review for you, but that's okay because it's good to refresh ourselves. So the perimeter of a figure is the distance around the figure. Oops, why isn't it drawing? There. Around the figure. So it's found by adding all of the sides together. The area is the space inside a figure, and it's measured in square units. So perimeter is around, and we add all of the sides. Area is the space inside. So if we have a parallelogram, remember a parallelogram has two sets of parallel sides, and it has four sides, four angles. The formula for the area is area equals base times height. So this would be, if we write it just so you know what these stand for, area equals base times height. So the perimeter for this parallelogram right here, it's the, remember we're adding up all the sides around, and these are the same. So this, it's going to be really big, but this we know then is 3 inches, and this we know then, is 5 inches. So our perimeter then is 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5, and we get 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 6 equals 16 inches, and we just leave it as inches. We always need to make sure that we label. The area then, since it's base times height, so this is our base. Let's get a different color. Okay. This is our base. So that's our B. And then this is our height. And that's our H. So the area, equals 5 inches times 2 inches, which equals 10 inches, and then it's always in square units, so then it's 10 inches squared. Okay? Pause me and do this one. I want you to find the area and the perimeter of this parallelogram. So the area would be 15 times 8, which equals 120 meters squared. And the perimeter, we can say P equals, so we have 10 plus 10, because it's 10 on both of these sides, and then 15 plus 15. So 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15. 10 plus 10 is 20. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 20 is 50 meters. And we just leave it as 50 meters because it's perimeter. Okay, finding the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. Okay, and as you can see, here's our base down here, and then the height is from the bottom to the top, or to the point. Okay, so if we look at this triangle, the perimeter for any figure is always around the outside, remember? So we're going to go P equals 5 plus 4.5 plus 7. And we get 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 4 is 16, and then 0.5. So 16.5 feet. The area is going to be 1/2 times the base, which is 7, times the height, which is 3. And we get 7 times 3 is 21, and then half of 21 would be, we know that half of 20 is 10, so half of 21 would be 10.5. And because it's area, we would have it as feet squared. Okay, do this one on your own. Find the perimeter and the area. Perimeter equals 14 plus 14 plus 20, which equals 14 and 14 is 28, plus 20 equals 48 inches. And the area would be 1/2 times 12 times 20. Half of 12 is 6. 6 times 20 is 120 inches squared. Okay, make sure that you go on to Naiku and do the 7-0.1, or look for it being labeled as perimeter and area of parallelograms and triangles. Have a super evening.